Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. Well, I've got my new microscope all set up. Well, new to me in any case. It's approximately as old as I am. So I thought we could take this opportunity to check in on one of my bird bath S1 samples that I've been looking at and just sort of run through some of the enhanced contrast techniques that the new microscope is capable of. Maybe try a little bit of a new format where I do less talking and just sort of show something interesting here. And before I leave you to it, I just wanted to point out that I've talked to several published researchers who are knowledgeable about this sort of thing, and some of them think this is opercularia, and some of them think that it's Epistylus or Rhabdostyla. And I'm starting to come around to the epistylid side of things. But, that's just science, is doing the best you can with what you have, and now that we can see more and in more detail, we can refine our identification. Alright, well, I'll leave you to it. Enjoy. Alright, well, I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time, keep on peeking.